Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're excited to talk about a game changer for boat enthusiasts. The 8791019A3 Ignition Sensor Kit. The best ignition sensor for your Mercruiser Thunderbolt distributor. If you're experiencing engine stalling or trouble starting your vessel, this product is your go-to solution. Let's dive into what makes the 8791019A3 Ignition Sensor Kit so special. This kit is designed specifically for a range of Mercruiser engines, including the popular 4.3L, 5.0L, 5.7L, 7.4L, and 8.2L models. It's compatible with Thunderbolt I, IV, General V, Mr., Mag, Alpha, and Bravo models manufactured between 1981 and 1997. This extensive compatibility ensures that a wide range of boat owners can benefit from its installation. What truly sets the 8791019A3 apart is its functionality. The ignition pickups, located within the distributor, act as the triggers for the ignition system, producing the spark needed for your engine to fire up. If you're having problems like engine stalling or difficulty starting your boat, this ignition sensor kit is precisely what you need to replace. While the 8791019A3 is not a genuine Mercruiser part, it's a direct replacement that fits and functions just like the original. It's designed to meet or exceed OEM standards, meaning you can trust its quality and performance. Every unit is 100% tested before shipping to ensure it meets high-quality standards. You can feel confident in knowing that you're getting a reliable and durable product. Installation is another strong point for the 8791019A3 Ignition Sensor Kit. With its flange mount design, it's straightforward to install, making it an ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts or those who may not have extensive mechanical experience. You won't need to spend hours or significant money on a mechanic. This kit allows you to get back on the water quickly and efficiently. When purchasing automotive parts, it's essential to know you're covered. Its compatibility with multiple engine models, high-quality build, easy installation, and customer confidence backed by a warranty make it a top contender in the market. So, whether you're a seasoned boater or new to the experience, don't let engine issues keep you off the water. Get your 8791019A3 ignition sensor today and enjoy a smooth and reliable boating experience. Thank you for watching this episode of Product Critique. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and insights. See you next time.